Hi friends, in last video I had told you about the announcement in our channel, and this video will be in premiere. And today's topic is, I'll tell you that in what platforms I'm doing apps, and also I'll tell some platforms that you can make apps in block-based coding, and also in with Java, Python coding, with coding languages. And first is that MIT App Inventor. This is used for beginners, and I will post these links in comment section and in description. You can check out. And this is MIT App Inventor. This is good for beginners who beginners in block-based coding. And then you can go to Codular or Tankable. Those both are same, and there are little differences, but both are very advanced, but not much. If you learn MIT App Inventor, the Codular and Tankable also will be easy, and also you can use Appify and Codular, Tankable and Appify for intermediates and experts in block-based coding, and MIT App Inventor is for beginners who are in block-based coding. And also for games, you can use Scratch and Construct 3. These both are good for gaming. If you want to create games, you can use that also. And there is code.org. You can use code.org also for apps and games. It is useful for both. And next, this is made by Google. You can see here, this is Android Studio. In this Android Studio, you can make apps and games both with some languages like Java, C, C++, and Python, JavaScript. Then, and I'll show here specifications also. Yes, in Windows, this file size is 896 MB, and for Mac Linux also, you can see in this website link. I am telling, this will be in description, and also you can use Unity, and you can use Unity, but Unity is not free. You have to pay money for Unity for doing games and apps. And these are some websites that you can make apps and games. These are way best for doing apps and games, and also in many things. I had created many projects in Codular, MIT App Inventor. Just you can see the Tankable also. Tankable also is like Codular, but the websites are same. There will be a little bit difference, but I would recommend to you first go to MIT App Inventor. After, you can go to Codular and Tankable. You need to first you have to sign in. I try to make a video how to sign in and how to create some apps, etc. in future. And thanks for watching this video. Do you like this video? Like, share and subscribe the channel.